Welcome. Today we will talk about hydrocortisone medicine. Hydrocortisone tablets are a steroid medicine prescribed for many different conditions, including serious illnesses. Their full name is corticosteroids. These corticosteroids occur naturally in the body and help to maintain health and well-being. Boosting your body with extra corticosteroid, such as hydrocortisone, is an effective way to various illnesses involving inflammation in the body. Hydrocortisone reduces this inflammation, which could otherwise go on making your condition worse. You must take this medicine regularly to get maximum benefit from it. If you take it for more than 3 weeks, you will get a blue steroid treatment card. Always keep it with you and show it to any doctor or nurse treating you. Don't stop taking this medicine without talking to your doctor. You may need to reduce the dose gradually. Hydrocortisone can cause side effects in some people. Some problems such as mood changes, feeling depressed, or high, or stomach problems can happen straight away. If you feel unwell in any way, keep taking your tablets but see your doctor straight away. Keep away from people who have chickenpox or shingles, even if you had them previously. They could affect you severely. If you do come into contact with chickenpox or shingles, see your doctor straight away. Package contains. Each package contains hydrocortisone 30 tablets of 10 mg each and a leaflet. Composition. Each tablet contains hydrocortisone 10 mg. Also contains lactose monohydrate. See leaflet for further information. Dosage, for oral use. Take as directed by the physician. Read the package leaflet before use. What hydrocortisone tablets are and what they are used for. It is indicated for use as replacement therapy for children with congenital adrenal hyperplasia, which affects your body's natural production of steroids. Pre-operatively, and during serious trauma or illness in children with known adrenal insufficiency or doubtful adrenocortical reserve. Emergency treatment of severe asthma, drug hypersensitivity reactions, serum sickness, hypersensitivity reaction to proteins, localized swelling of the skin and/or mucous membranes, angioedema, and life-threatening allergic reactions, anaphylaxis. Hydrocortisone, which is contained in this product, is also authorized to treat other subgroups of patients which are not mentioned in this leaflet. Ask your doctor or pharmacist if you have further questions. Possible side effects. Like all medicines, this medicine can cause side effects, although not everybody gets them. If you are taking the medicine as a replacement steroid, you should be less likely to get side effects than people taking steroids for other illnesses. Tell your doctor immediately if you notice itching or skin rashes, swelling on the face, lips or throat, difficulty in breathing or wheeziness. These may be signs of an allergic reaction. Severe side effects. Steroids, including hydrocortisone, can cause severe mental health problems. These side effects are common in both adults and children. They can affect about 5 in every 100 people taking medicines like hydrocortisone. Tell your doctor immediately if you are depressed, including thinking about suicide, high, mania, or having moods that go up and down. Anxious, having problems sleeping, having difficulty in thinking or being confused and losing your memory, feeling, seeing or hearing things that do not exist, having strange and frightening thoughts, changing how you act, or having feelings of being alone. Other side effects. Tell your doctor if you experience any of the following: heart problems, infections, blood and lymphatic system, increased number of white blood cells, and muscle weakness, etc. Instructions: keep out of the sight and reach of children. Store below 25 degrees Celsius. Manufacturer and buy online. Hydrocortisone tablets are manufactured by Bristol Laboratories Ltd. It is available online. You can buy it from any online store, or you can buy it from any pharmacy nearby. This video is for educational purposes. Take every medicine as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes it.